Welcome to the program, Michael.
Thank you very much.
So we know the A-share market has been slumping all week last week, but the commodities trading has been making top headlines. Last Thursday, trading of the most actively traded futures contract for rebar was even more than the turnover of Shanghai and Shenzhen combined. So what's behind all this enthusiasm?
Right. Well, from my point of view, and as I've also spoken with experts in my circle, there are actually no real fundamentals that would back up this kind of current surge. The only possibility that may lead to some fundamental reasons are that Chinese steel producers are still overproducing by about 100,000 metric tons per week. So there is probably more demand for iron ore, but these do not really lead to any fundamental reason why there should be such a surge.
So do you see this as being sustainable, the rally?
I don't think that is sustainable for more than 2 or 3 months, maybe less than that.
Some analysts say the overheating of commodities because investors are running away from the stock market and buying commodities futures instead. What's your take on that?
Yeah, absolutely, that's what I see. I mean, we have seen a very high volatility in the stock market in the past months. It has normalized a little bit, but definitely this kind of volatility will put or would put a stress on investor confidence. And of course, investors will look for alternative investment sources to bring their money in. And then if we see this shift from stock markets to commodity, naturally we will have perhaps some speculators who will jump ship as well and further fuel the market.
Mm-hmm. What's going on in the steel market? Because we know that those factories, they are cutting production because of the whole reducing capacity drive from the government.
Right. I mean, by March, the Chinese steel mills were still operating at only 70% of capacity. Meanwhile, they were producing about 820 million metric tons annually, vastly over capacity. So I suppose that we will see a continued crunch from the government side to curb overproduction. Another fundamental that we may add to that is oil price. Energy is cheap. Why should commodities be overpriced if energy prices are the lowest in many months?
Great stuff. It's nice to have you. Thank you for speaking with us.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.